Okay, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, and welcome back to Grumpy's Laid Back Carvings. I hope everybody's having an awesome day today. It's hot out there. I had to do some yard work, so of course I mowed the grass. When I got out the grass, somebody brought me some mail. Awesome, Grumpy got a package. Hey, I love it. Let's see what we got going. This is from Mr. Johnny Foster at Johnny's Lathe Crafts. That's a cool channel. Y'all need to go check that out. He does some awesome pins. I love watching his pins. It says, I enjoy your videos. I've enclosed a, what was it? Bocote pin blank. Maybe it will work for one of your clips. I'm sure I can make a clip out of that. That's an awesome piece of wood. It says, don't let the outside of the blank fool you. Once you start turning, you will be amazed by its beauty. Thanks again, Johnny Foster. Mr. Foster. One thing about woodworking is I know, what does they say? Beauty is only skin deep, so once you start scratching into it, you're really going to see it for sure. But this is cool. A very, very dense piece of wood. I can't wait to turn that.
The wood's alive, it's got a story.
Nice.
Grumpy spins it into glory.
Very dense. Awesome, and we got a sticker.
Thank you, Johnny's Lathe Crafts. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Nice. Let's see. I'm gonna put you right there underneath Mr. Robert's sticker. I think you'll fit right there. Yes, sir. Perfect. And this old guy, I don't know who the heck he is. He's just always getting in the damn way. Alright, am I going to be able to separate the sticker? I struggle with these stickers, y'all. I gotta use my knife edge to separate the sticker from the backing most of the time.
Who sent it? Who we say? A mystery wrapped up tight. In the morning, it feels just right. Thank you, Johnny's Lathe Crafts. Oh yeah,
I like that.
that's a fact. Cool sticker.
Alright, oh my shoulders.
Can't wait. Oh, I can't wait.
I'll get you right up there with Mr. Sandy's. Mr. Ray and the Sandy sticker too.
Tear the tape, rip the seal. What's inside? Oh, it's surreal. Would that whisper spin me round on the lathe where art is found.
Awesome, thank you, sir.
Lathe is calling, what will he do?
Those glossy stickers, they reflect with my light. Boom, let's see. Back it up a little bit here. Alright, let's go over. That's my sticker that I just put up for Mr. Johnny's Lathe Crafts. He does some awesome pins. Like I said, I love some of those pins. I like the swirls in those blanks. They're pretty cool. We got Wowie from Two Brothers, One Vision, and his brother Darren. They do some awesome art together. Wowie's got some awesome art as well, but that's these stickers. That's their symbol. Dad Carves. He's got an awesome channel. Professor Rusty's got some cool little projects. Awesome sticker from Professor Rusty again too. Mr. Ray and Sandy's Woodworking's awesome channel. Robert Peters, awesome channel. That crazy old man, I don't know about him. Josh and Casey from Creation Dust 777, that's a good channel. Josh from Bear and the Boss Lady, that's a good channel. Oh, there's another Josh, the Electric Whittler, awesome channel. Jordy Johnson, it's all Jordy's fault. Pin on Fire, awesome channel. Sean Brooks, y'all check him out. Perry from Carving Wizard, awesome channel. DeLand's Handmade Woodworking, awesome channel. Sophie, Under the Bark, I love her work. Suzanne Rhinestone's got some killer work. Here's my pipe, Mr. Grumpy from Robert C. Peters. I love it. Another Jordan, love it. Ooh, some more stickers from Rusty, love them. And then way over there, I got some more stickers going on. Those stickers are all in here as well as duplicates. And I got one from Mr. Ray and Sandy that's gonna go out there as well. But everybody on this board has awesome channels. Y'all need to go check them out. I'm gonna have a link in this video for Mr. Johnny's channel. Go check him out. He's got some killer pin blanks and pins that he's doing. I love them. Appreciate the support. Thank you for watching my videos. I appreciate your videos, sir. They're pretty good. Alright, everybody have a great day. Like, subscribe. Remember, go check out the description. I'll have a link for Mr. Johnny's channel, and I'll also have a link for Spike's fundraiser. Y'all have a great day. Thank you.